Alltrue box. I was actually smart and fixed the tape this time so I can actually open it. I think this one is spring. I'm not sure. It's either spring or summer. I'll check before I upload. But yeah, they just take forever to get to you, so you kind of forget. But let's go ahead and open it up and see what is even in here, because I'm not sure. To be honest with you guys, I'm probably not going to keep Alltrue after this year. I just have already paid for this year, but let's go ahead and see. So the first thing in here is their magazine that they send. It's just got some recipes, some different things about the products, that kind of stuff. And let's go ahead and open this up. There's all of this. First of all, this thing is huge. So I'm curious to see how long this actually is, because I think this is a straw. Yes, so this is Small Hours on-the-go straw. It's a glass straw cleaning wand travel case. Every day we empower people to eliminate single-use products and build healthier habits for themselves and the planet. So this is apparently, I hope the travel case is smaller than this. Oof, it's still pretty big, but basically I was interested in getting this because I know a lot of places are switching over to like cardboard straws and stuff, and I'm not a fan of them. I can't stand paper straws, so I wanted to give this a try. So let's pull it out. So it looks like this is the straw. It's just these pieces. It looks like the top of the container is actually the cleaner for it. So you just put it through there and it pops in like that. So I like that it's glass. That should make it easier to clean and see if it's clean. But this is something, it's a little bit bigger than I thought it would be, but this is still something that I feel like I could throw in my bag and just keep on me. So I'll give it a shot and see if I like it. I do like the concept, so that's cool. So next up in here, let's see, let's look at these next. I got some rings. This is from And Every. Doesn't have a lot of information about them. It just said they're adjustable stackable ring set. So let's pull them out and see. So I don't know how well y'all will be able to see them, but I'll just go ahead and kind of pop them on, just see what fingers they'll fit. So this is the rings. Like I said, I don't know how well you guys can see them. I might have to like take a picture and insert it, but that is how they look. They actually fit quite nicely. I'm very happy with the fact that they fit on some fingers other than my ring finger, because I prefer to wear my wedding band or something like that on that finger. So that is those. Next up in here, I am actually also kind of excited for this. So sometimes I'm excited for Alltrue, sometimes I'm not. It just kind of depends. But this is the Green Co. They're reusable cotton rounds. They're reusable and washable. They're bamboo fiber and cotton velvet. It says machine and hand washable, dry friendly or air dry. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so it looks like they come in this little pouch, which is also very soft. Love that. And it is literally just like these little cleansing cloths. Looks like they are double layered. And yeah, like it's just a whole pack of them. Very happy to test these out. That's something I do like, some of the stuff like I said in this box, but then other stuff I don't. So I have mixed feelings on whether I want to keep it or not. And I still just doesn't sit right with me that some of the things, I don't think some of the companies have been paid yet, so I'm not sure. But anyways, the next thing in here are these white marble coasters from Zill Living. I could not figure out why this box is so heavy, but these are very, very heavy coasters. So let's kind of pop them out and see what they look like. Now that I know, I feel like they're breakable material and I'm very scared to like drop them now. So kind of nervous about how I'm holding this box because I don't have anything out in front of it, but let's just see if I can just pop one out. So they're very well packaged so that they won't break, first of all. Okay, these are nice. Okay, they're making me want to stick with them a little bit more with this box. So these are coasters. They feel, like I said, they do feel very breakable, but they have these little things on the bottom so they don't slide. And they actually are really cute. It's a set of 4. I really do like these. Let me just see. I do have 2 other things in here. And like I said, I really don't remember what anything is. This is not labeled at all for what it is. Okay, so this is from Sembla, it says. And this is just a cooking apron. I really wanted to get one of these because I have them at my parents' house and I just don't have them where I live now. So, and then last but not least in here, this is La de Label. I think this might be a backpack, if I'm not mistaken, like a cloth backpack. Let's see. Yes, so this is like a cloth backpack. It looks like you can either carry it on your shoulder or use the backpack straps. Let me see. So it's pretty much just an open bag. It doesn't have any kind of like other pockets other than in the front. I can't decide what that smells. It kind of smells like vinegar. But that is the bag. I feel like this would get dirty very quickly. So I feel like I might want to like draw some stuff on it or do something with it. But that is it. So that is everything I got in this box. I actually am quite happy with this one, which I've been pretty bored with the last few years, so that's interesting. But yeah, this one was actually pretty good. Like I said, I still am not sure whether I'm going to stick with them or not, but occasionally you get some good things in it, so it's kind of one of those things. If it wasn't for the issue with payment and stuff like that, I would be more likely to stick with them just because I occasionally get good things, but I'm going to have to do some more research into that before I decide. But yeah, this box was actually pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye guys!